Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Fakhrul Alom Sajib. Today we are going to learn how to alter table in MySQL. We'll use CC database and table student. Executing this ID name. Now we'll add one column, new column in the existing table. To add a column or multiple columns in an existing table, we'll use the following syntax: alter table database name dot table name, add column name and data type. Alter table CSV table name student, add our new column name is batch data type int length 10 not null constant. This is just for added one column. We'll use this syntax. If you want to use multiple column, you have to first give the comma and add new column name address data type varchar length 50 null. In future we'll discuss about constant. Now I will execute it. I am adding two columns, one batch, another one address. Execute the selected portion. Address, it work. 0 is affected. First I'm using select command. Select star from database name dot table name. See, batch edit, address edit. If you want to see the data type, you have to use describe database name student table name. Now you will see the data type. If you use this command, describe database name dot table name. Executing this one. See, we can also see the data type, field, null, no or yes, key, primary key, all the structure. If we use this statement, describe database name dot table name, we will see the entire structure of the table: field, column, field or column, ID, name, batch, address, data type, int worker, null, or no or yes, primary key, PIRI, primary key. We have added this. Now next, suppose you want to change the data type of a column in a table. How will you do it? This is the syntax: alter table, table name, modify, column name, data type. If you want to change or modify the data type of a column. Alter table csc dot student, then modify batch, or this one batch what I created, batch batch worker 10 none. Before modifying, first I will use this. I'll just copy this one. Batch to check the data type. Now batch is integer. I will modify this. Suppose batch number I will add also number, suppose 33. I want to add also character. That's why I want to change this worker, not integer. I want to modify this. So we'll use alter table name, database name dot database name, database name csc table name student, modify column name batch. We want to change it worker. It is now integer. Now I am executing this command. Execute the selected portion. See, 4 rows affected. Now I will check first select statement. We cannot see if we use the select statement whether it is change worker or not. If we use this statement, it will works. See, now batch is worker. Previously it was integer. So it works. We can change the data type using alter command. Then next, I want to delete a column in an existing table. To do this, I have to follow this following syntax. First, I'm select star from csc dot student using this command to see batch. Now I will drop batch column and to delete batch column. To do this, alter table database name csc dot student drop column name column column name batch batch. I want to delete batch column. Then I have to use this command alter table database name dot table name drop column column name column name column name. I am now executing it, the selected portion. See, it works. 0 rows affected, green sign. Now if you want to select command, you will see batch column deleted. So our this alter command works. To delete a column in an existing table, we will use following syntax. Now next, I am using select command id name. Previously we have seen that if we execute this command, the column is appended at the end of the column list in the table. This one, at the end of the column list in the table, if we execute this command. If we want to specify the position of the new column in the existing table, we can add a column after an existing column or as the first column. Now I will show you how to do it. Suppose I'm just copying this one. Suppose I want to add it in the first. I want to add it on the as first column batch. To do this, just you have to alter table database name dot table name, add batch data type not null. Here you have to give the position, a specific position. If I execute this command, it will add before id. Now I will check. 0 rows affected. Now I will select this command. See, first it is added as first column. If you want to add in the first column, then you will use this command. Here you have to give the position. Now I want to add after id another column. After id, a specific position. After id, I will add another column. To do this, just you have to, I'm just copying this one. Copy this one. I'm just changing the name city. I have using another adding another column city. I want to add it after id. I want to add city column as after id. Writing after id. If we execute this command, it will add after id. City will be added after id, city column. Let's see whether it is works or not. Executing, alter table, not none, 0 rows affected, integer. It works. If we select this statement, say city is after id. So we got the correct output. So if you want to specify the position, you can also do it by alter command. You just have to give the specific position. To add as a first column, you just have to give the first, and if you want to add any after column, you just have to give after and column name. I hope that you understand how to alter table in MySQL. Thanks a lot for watching this video.